Here's how to download and install VS Code on your computer. Open your favorite browser and search for VS Code download. Choose the first option from the list. Depending on your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac, select your specific operating system and the download will start immediately. Once the download is finished, go to the location where it is saved and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the steps to install VS Code on your computer. Accept the agreement. Check the box if you want to create a desktop icon. Your Microsoft Visual Studio Code is now successfully installed. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.